And this did not cost me anywhere near $1,000, but it is worth, I would say, a whole lot more. I'd been mentioning that I wanted to show you the seed starting setup that I used, and I thought we would do that today by showing you a clip from the seed starting course I've been making for you. With that in mind, there you go. This is my seed starting setup. What you are looking at here is a shoe rack. And it's a shoe rack that I got on Amazon for like $20. In fact, I think it was on sale for a little less than that whenever I found mine. So you can buy official grow racks from a seed starting supply place. I looked for them and they're like $1,000 if you want to go that way, that route, but it is not necessary. This was my first try it out, just see if something works, and it did. It was my initial setup. I thought that I might try and build something a little more sophisticated, more decorative, but the shoe rack is working for me, and it's super easy to clean because it's shoe rack, so they give you nice, easy to wipe down material. Now, it did go together kind of like a set of Tinker Toys. So if you don't have that much patience, you might want to think about something a little bit different. But it also means it will collapse very easily if I do want to take it down at some point in the future. And we've been talking about grow lights. So I have the grow lights attached up here with a zip tie at each end. And I only put one up above for the initial run through. It has been working. Um, as I test out more lights, I think I will probably put two up above each section. I rotate the trays. They do start growing up towards that center point. You can watch them do that. So I will rotate the trays for that. So if you have the space, the budget, all of those things, you might want to think about two lights up above because that's something I will consider in the future as well. But that's it. Now, also, I did do this after I had been doing things for a little while. So you do not have to do an entire rack like that for your first run. In fact, we're doing the fast starts. If you're new to this, you probably want to start with just a few things in the beginning anyway. So they make grow lights that are just one that you can bend over. Do you want just one tray of some sorts that you could work with? Is there one spot in your house? Or if you're moving into this from a more advanced option and you need lots and lots of things, this was a really inexpensive way to do something pretty close to what more professional growing setup would be. So there's your example. So hopefully that gives you some ideas. The grow lights that I mentioned, we talk more about those in the course that I've made for you. But if you're shopping on your own, full spectrum is a phrase that you want to look for, and you can find them just on Amazon. In fact, that's where I got mine, and they didn't cost anywhere near $1,000. So hopefully that will help get you set up. You will see me take these out to my greenhouses, and that's where I will plant them. If you haven't seen that video yet of how fast and easy it is to make your own greenhouse, I'll make sure to link that. But if you're not set up outside yet and you needed somewhere to just get started, you could actually leave this grow rack setup as your place to grow things for a while and just come through and pick off individual salad leaves as you're ready and have some fresh greens of your own to add to things. So if you want a fast, easy start, that course is ready for you on my website. Come on over to theimaginegarden.com and I'll see you there.